Hello and welcome to another new video of For Knowledge. So in this video I am going to explain about the preparations of alkyl halide. So basically it's a class 12 topic. Now in your syllabus mainly there are three types of preparations of alkyl halide. Okay. Now first let me tell you one thing. What is alkyl halide? Rx. This is a basic representation of alkyl halide. R is alkyl group and X is halogen group. That is, it can be anything like bromine, chlorine, okay, like any halogen. So basically, this is the structure of alkyl halide. Now, moving on to first preparation. That is preparation number 1. We will obtain alkyl halide from alcohols. Okay. We will obtain alkyl halide from alcohols. So, first reaction. I am writing in R form. Okay, it can be anything like methyl or ethyl, propyl. Okay, I am giving you the basic general formula so that in exam if it comes like what will be the final product when methanol reacts with HCl, okay, like this one. So then you have to write CH3OH. So I am representing in R as alkyl group. R OH plus HCl. First we will react alcohol with HCl. So on reacting ROH with HCl, what we will get? Like there will be a molecular breakdown. Okay, this one in minus, plus, minus. So this plus and this minus will react and give you RCl. That is an alkyl halide. Okay, and this OH and this H will react and will give you water. And this one you will get in liquid form and this one also in liquid form. So basically this is the first reaction in which you will get alkyl halide on reacting HCl with an alcohol. Okay. So now the next reaction is reacting an alcohol with thionyl chloride. Now on reacting alcohol with thionyl chloride, obviously we will get an alkyl halide, and along with alkyl halide we will get two more product, that is SO2 and HCl. Okay, here it will be in liquid, gaseous form. Okay. On reacting thionyl chloride with alcohol, we will get alkyl halide, that is RCl, SO2 and HCl. Now, next reaction is reacting an alcohol with PCl3. Now, reacting alcohol with PCl3, we will get obviously RCl along with H3PO3. Okay, and this will be in liquid form and this will also be in liquid form. I hope it is balanced. Yeah, it is balanced. So on reacting PCl3 with ROH, that is an alcohol, we will get RCl and H3PO3. Now last but not least, we will react alcohol with PCl5. ROH alcohol plus PCl5. On reacting ROH with PCl5, we will get RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. This will be in liquid form, this will be in liquid form, and this will be in gaseous form. Okay. So basically there are four types of reactions from which you will get alkyl halide from alcohol. First one is reacting with HCl, second one is SOCl2, third one is PCl3, and fourth one is PCl5. Now the question is, which reaction is the best reaction for obtaining alkyl halide from alcohol? Like which agent is best? Which one is best? Now just for that answer you have to focus on this part. Like when you are reacting HCl with alcohol, you are getting RCl in liquid form, and also HO2 in liquid form. Second one, liquid form, gaseous form, liquid form, liquid gas. Now tell me one thing, which one is more cost effective? That is, it is very difficult or it is costly for liquid extraction. Like industry, in industry it will become more difficult, or it will become costly for liquid extraction. And in this reaction, obviously these two are present in gaseous state, it will evaporate, and this one in liquid state. So no extraction is needed in this reaction. No extraction is required in this reaction. Same for this, liquid you have to extract, and same for this. So this is a cost effective reaction. So in industry this is more preferable, cost effective. Okay, so from alcohol, reacting alcohol with thionyl chloride is the best reaction to get RCl. Rather, it is a cost effective and beneficial for industry. So this is all about preparation 1. I hope you have understood. So now I will be moving on to preparation number 2. That is, you will obtain alkyl halide from carboxylic acid. I am writing the general formula of carboxylic acid. This reaction was named after a scientist, Hunsdiecker. Okay. This reaction is also known as Hunsdiecker reaction. So first I will write the basic form of this reaction, then I will explain you the mechanism. First, carboxylic acid, then AgOH, then an halogen, and on applying heat you will get Rx, rather I will write Rx, alkyl halide, plus H2O plus CO2 plus AgX. So this is the basic structure, or how the reaction looks. This is the basic structure of getting Rx, that is alkyl halide, from carboxylic acid, and it is also known as Hunsdiecker reaction. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? Actually it is done in 3 steps. This is a 3-step reaction. So first I am writing step 1. In first step, carboxylic acid reacts with AgOH. Okay, on reacting with AgOH, how does this molecule breaks? And this H reacts with this OH. and this Ag reacts with this O, and you will get a silver salt of fatty acid, RC double bond O, O, Ag plus H2O. Okay, this is the step 1 reaction, and in next step, this one silver salt of fatty acid, I am writing step 2. Silver salt of fatty acid reacts with this halogen X2. On reacting with this halogen, how does this molecule breaks? This is basically XX. This Ag reacts with this X, and this X reacts with this O. All these are temporary bonds, okay? This OAG, OX, all these are temporary bonds. Okay. In next step, this one, this obviously this is minus. No, this one is minus, and also this minus. It's breakdowns. And in next step, that is step 3. On applying heat, there is a breakdown. This breaks, and this R reacts with this X, and you will get alkyl halide. And this molecule, on heating, it's on thermal decomposition of this compound. This compound thermally decomposes, and you will get Rx and CO2. So basically, these 3 steps are the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, now let me clear it with an example. I hope it is clear. I am using it. Now the question is, how you will get how you will get chlorobenzene from benzoic acid. Obviously, first you have to react this benzoic acid with AgOH. In next step, with that silver salt of fatty acid, you have to react that compound with Cl2. Now, why Cl2? Because your final product, you have to get chlorobenzene. So, you have to react with Cl2. On reacting with Cl2, and after thermal decomposition, you will get AgCl, H2O, AgCl, AgCl, H2O, CO2, and this chlorobenzene. Okay, now let me write. I am doing this in stepwise. Okay, step 1. On reacting with AgOH, you will get this one is step 1, and on next step, this silver salt of fatty acid will react with Cl2, and you will get this compound. And on last step, on thermal decomposition of this compound, this one will break down into CO2, and finally you will get So benzoic acid on reacting with AgOH and on thermal decomposition, your final product will be this chlorobenzene, H2O, AgCl and CO2. So basically this was all about preparation number 2, that is Hunsdiecker reaction, that is how we will get alkyl halide from carboxylic acid. So now moving on to third reaction, preparation number 3. Now preparation number 3 is how will you obtain alkyl halide from alkene. So basically on reacting alkene with an acid, you will get alkyl halide. So first I am writing the general type of the reaction. I am giving this prime dip because this one is more powerful side, like bigger alkyl with respect to this one. Okay. On reacting this with an acid, that is HX, you will get R Cl plus, okay, you will get this one. So how does this reaction works? What is the mechanism of this reaction? Now I will explain this with an example. Now what will be the product of this reaction? How will this molecule break? So basically there will be a breakage in this double bond. This bond will break and this one will be positive and this one will be negative. Now the question is, how will you identify which one will be positive side and which one will be negative side? The more bigger alkyl group will be marked as positive side and smaller one will be marked as negative side. Okay. Now you all know this HCl will break as Cl minus and H plus. Now it's more easy to understand. This H will go into this one and this Cl will go into this carbon. So now what will be the product? Now the product will be so this is the final product. So by this process or by this way, you will get alkyl halide from alkene. So this was all about 3 types of preparations. How we will get alkene from alcohol, from carboxylic acid and from alkene. So I hope you have liked the video. So if you like the video, do comment, share and subscribe, and thank you.